we are pressing pause. One of my favorite ways or favorite exercise I enjoy doing whenever I feel stressed, we always have a lot on our plate. I'm a visual learner, so usually I'll take a plate and I have some sticky notes on that, and I would write down everything that's stressing me. So this is an exercise that's called What's on Your Plate. You grab a paper plate, get some sticky notes, and you write down the things that seems to be a bother to you or that's stressing you. It could be school, you can have an upcoming project that you're stressed about, you could be a parent, a mom, balancing work-life balance, or whatever that it may be that's stressing you. So let's say you have an exam coming up, you're a college student, and you have an exam coming up. You write down, I'm stressed about my exam. Let's say you're a mom, you have a lot to do. You write down, picking up Johnny might be stressful, going to work might be stressful, or anything else that's bothering you. So as you're writing down the things that are bothering you on that plate, one thing you want to do is we are pressing pause. So after you write down everything that's a bother to you, you might look into what's in my control. So if you can delegate some of the tasks that you have, then find somebody that can pick up your son for you as you are working late, if you do have that village, right? Or if you do have that exam and you're working, it might be a time for you to either decrease your hours, or you may not be able to go to work so you can focus on what needs to be done. Regardless of what it is, the point of this exercise too, you write down what's on your plate and you find out what's in your control and you find the solution to that. That is one of the steps that I have done in the past that have helped a lot of people.